Look out. Don't forget. Oh, that's good. Howdo, and welcome to this year's Great Guitar Build-Off and my kitchen Les Paul build that's out of a complete kitchen worktop. Today we're cutting out fretboards and we're going to go full kitchen on this one as well. We'll shape that and put some fancy inlays in. All just for a bit of a laugh, really. And there we have one cut out fretboard. And yes, I was able to use a hand plane because fretboards are tapered. So as it slopes in, you can use the hand plane. Now, I would usually use a hand plane to radius my fretboards, but because I don't know what's going on that way around with the grains, with all these individual blocks in here, it's going to have to be a sanding block to get that radius in. Repeat after me. With predictable grain, use a plane. With predictable grain, use a plane. With predictable plane, use a plane. Don't use one of these, they suck. Oh, right, finally that's sanded flat, nice radius. I've only got up to 120 grit. Obviously the finished product will be more than that, but if you're going to put an inlay in, there's no point going higher than that now. Wait until you've done the inlays and then go nuts with your sandpaper up to how many million grit you want to do. So, with this being a kitchen Les Paul, we have the kitchen worktop as the main material. The next thing that we're going to put in that's remotely kitchen linked, these are individual coffee beans that we're going to use as the fret markers along the way. So I'm going to drill holes big enough to slot those in, fill them full of resin. Might need to just sand off the bottom of each coffee bean so it sits flat, we'll have to see. But that's going to be the link number 2 to the kitchen. Oh, that's good. You know you're a regular when you can just get a cup full of coffee beans for now. I'm thinking I might have to go not round. How am I going to do that? Okay, I'm going to do this properly. Coffee beans are not round, so I'm not going to cheat and just put a round one in and try and find the tiny weeny ones. We'll put them in properly, protecting the coffee bean integrity. That. I'm going to take the rest of the beans, go and have a coffee. And then the next thing I want to do on the fretboard to finish it off is at the 12th fret, I want to inlay a gingerbread man because I'm dead cute. This guitar build series is brought to you by the KBC Guitars Firecaster. This is a brand new handmade customizable production model available now for under £1,000. For more information, check out kingbespokecreations.uk now! Quick top tip, if you're ever wanting to sketch out something for an inlay, put some masking board on, then you can draw that off, peel this off in one, stick it on your other wood, and it's there ready to trace, knowing everything is absolutely the right size. And all we need to do is sand that to 1,000,000 grit and glue it onto the neck. And while I do that, you watch this video here for me, and I'll see you soon. Take care, God bless.